Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Quantum Ideas. So today I'll be solving some of the DSAT problems related to functions. So let's get started, and it is one of the very important topic. So let's solve it carefully. Okay. So number one. So we have given table. This is x. This is y. Okay. We also called y as f of x, right? So we have given x and y values. Okay, the table above displays several points on the graph of the function f in the xy plane. Which of the following could be the f of x? So to find out that, we have to plug here the value of x. Okay, you have to plug the value of x here, and you have to check if you get the fx. If they satisfy, and that's our function. So let's plug here. If I plug the value of x as 0 here, 0 0, okay, then we get what? Y is equals to what? 0, right? If I plug here 20 into 0, this becomes 0, but here y is 20, so this is not our answer. Okay, let's see number 2. So if I plug the value of x as 0, we get 20, right? This is true. If I value of 1 plus 20 is 21, this is also true. If I x 3, this becomes 23, but it is the third condition is not satisfied, so this is not the answer. Let's go to number C. If I get value of x as 0, it's become minus 20, so this is wrong. Now check here. If I plug 0 square plus 20 is what? 20. If I plug here 1 is square plus 20 is equals to 21. Okay, this is also true, this is also true. If I use a 3 square plus 20 is 9 plus 20 is what? 29. Okay, D is satisfied, so these are answer. Okay, this D represents the function given in the table. Okay, let's go to number C. If f of x is equals to c square, for which the, okay, I think this is wrong here. Okay, f of x must be equals to x square. Okay, that's wrong. Okay, typing mistake. If f of x equals to x square, for which of the following values of c is f of c is less than c? So which of this value of the c will satisfy this inequality? We have to solve. So first write f of c is less than what? We are given c. Okay, then what we can say here, that f of x is x square, so f of c is c square, so c square is less than c. So you can plug here and check. Okay, let's say I use 2, so 2 square, if I plug c as 2 square is less than 2. 4 is less than 2? No. If you check 3 by, let's say 3 by 2 square is what? Less than 3 by 2. So you can use calculator very fast and do it. Okay, let me check. So 3 over 2, no, okay, 3 over 2, 1.5. okay, 1.5 into 1.5 will give you 2.25 is less than what? 3 over 2, right? Oh, sorry, so that is 1.5. This is true, this is not true, right? Is not less, so this is not. And again you can see 1 square is less than 1, so this is also not true. Check 1 by 2. So what? 1 by 2 square is less than 1 by 2. That is what? 1 by 2 is what? 0.5, right? 0.5 into 0.5 is 0.25. So 0.25 is less than 0.5, right? This is true, so A is your answer. So let's go to number 3. So the function f is defined by f of x is 3x plus 2, and the function g is defined by g of x is equal to f of 2x minus 1. What is the value of g10? Okay, let's do it. So just write g10 and see here. So gx is f2x minus 1. If x is 10 here, you have to plug here also 10, right? So g of 10 is f of 2 into 10 minus 1. It is f210 is 20 minus 1. So also look here, f of x is 3x plus 2, f of x is 3x plus 2, that is 3 into x is here is 20, 3 into 20 plus 2 minus 1, this is 60 plus 2 minus 1, this is 62 minus 1 is 61, so 61 is your answer. So let's go to number 4. If f of x equals to minus 3x plus 5 and 1 by 2 f of a is equals to 10, what is the value of a? So you can see here 1 by 2 f of a. If 2 go to next side, it becomes f of a becomes 20. So what is f of x is minus 3x plus 5. So f of a will be minus 3a plus 5 equals to 20. So what is minus 3a will be 20 minus 5 if 5 go to that side. So this is equals to 20 minus 5 is 15. So a is equals to 3 5 is minus 5. So the value of a is at minus 5. So b is the answer. So let's go to number 5. For a linear function f, okay, for a linear function f of 0 is 2, f of 3 is 5. If k is equal to f of 5, then what is the value of k? So the function is the linear function. So this is little bit tricky type question. So let's see, we have given a line. Okay, let's say this is the line. Let me make two axes. Okay, this is y axis, this is x axis. So we are given the point f of 0 is 2, value of y is 2. Okay, let me clear it out like this. So we have given this point. Okay, this is the value of x is 0 here, and the value of this f of 0 is 2, right? Value of y is 2, and we have given another point, the value is 3 here, f of x. So if I plug 3 here, f of 3 is equals to 5. Okay, we have given this. Okay, then, and k is equals to 5. If I plug here 5 like this will produce k. Okay, this will produce, let's say this is a k. Now let's this is the line. We know that the slope of line is constant, right? Now let's find the point. Then what is this point? Let's say this point is 0 comma 2, right? X y. What is this point? Is x comma y 3 comma 5. What is this point? X comma y is 5 comma k. So to find the value of k, we can use the slope formula, right? Okay, how can you use? Let's do it. So use these 2 points to find the slope, and then use this point to find the slope. So this is, let's say this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals to, so again find the slope of these two, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is 5 minus 2 is 3 over 3. It's equal to k minus 5 over 5 minus 3 is 2. So to go to next size, 2 is equals to k minus 5. K will be 2 plus 5. So k is equals to 7. So 7 is your answer. The value of the k is 7. Okay. So what we did here is that since it is a linear function, we find three xy coordinates, and then find a slope between each 2 points and equate them. Okay, so let's go to number 6. Okay, if the function f is defined by f of x equals to x by 10 minus 2, what is the y-intercept of the graph of y equal to fx in the xy plane? Okay, very easy question. So we have given f of x equals to 1 by 10x minus 2. So we know the equation of line is y equal to mx plus c. If you compare here, this is y equal to fx, m is 1 by 10, x is here, and c is minus 2. So c is equals to minus 2. You can see here, what is this? This is y-intercept, right? So y-intercept is minus 2. And then, okay, you can also how you can find is that we have given f of x equals to 1 by 10 minus 2. Let's say we have a graph, right? This is y-axis and x-axis. So we have to find the y-intercept, means this point, right? This is the point. Okay, let me make it little little clear. So let's say this is the point of y-intercept, right? At y-axis the value of x is what? 0, right? If I plug here the value of x is 0, I also get y-intercept, that is f of x will be equals to minus 2. So when I plug x equal to 0, y-intercept is what? Y is equals to minus 2. So when x equal to 0, y is minus 2. So answer is B, that is 0 comma minus 2. Okay, let's go to next problem, number 7. The function f is graphed in the xy plane above. For how many values of x does the fx equals to 3? So the question is asking, we have given the function that is f of x. So how many values of x does f of x equals to 3? That means it is asking how many solutions, okay, or how many values of x for which fx equals 3 means y is equals to 3. So for that we have to make a line y is equals to 3. Okay, so see here, this is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. Just make a line like this, y equals to 3. Okay, then to find how many values of x does fx equals to 3, that means you have to find the point of intersection between y equal to 3 and that given function. So this is the point where both are equal. This is the another point of intersection, and this another point, and this is the another point. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4. So there is the 4 values, okay, which is the solution of this line and this function. So 4 is your answer. So let's move to number 8. Okay, I think it's the last question. So we have given f of x equal to 4x minus 3, g of x equals to 3x plus 5. The function f and g are defined above. Which of the following is equals to f of 8? Okay, we have to find f of 8 first. So first find f of 8 is equals to 4 into 8 minus 3. Just plug here 8 and here 8. Okay, so 8 4 is 24, right? 24 minus 3, this is simply 21. Okay, wait, uh, no 24. 8 4 is 32. 8 into 4 is 32 minus 3, this is like 29. Okay, now we have to check which one will equal to 29, and that is the value which is equal to f of 8. So see here, if you plug here 1, 3 into 1 is 3 plus 5 is 8, so this is not answer. If you plug here x equals to 3, so 3 is 9 plus 5, so this is not 29. If I plug here 5 3 by 15 plus 5 20, this is not answer. And if I plug here, let's say 8, I think 3 into 8 plus 5, 8 into 3 is 24 plus 5 is equals to 29. So that is z of 8 equal to 29, and f of 8 is also 29. That means f of 8 equals z of 8. So D is your answer, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. If you have any problem, please comment below, and this much for today. Okay, so thank you, bye bye, see you till the next video.